In this video, I'll show you how you can put apps on your desktop in Windows 10. First, what you want to do is you want to search for the app that you want to put in there. Let's say I want to put League of Legends. I'm going to right click on the app and go to Open File Location. Now from in here, I have the League of Legends. What I want to do is I want to right click on it, send to Desktop Create Shortcut. Now, as soon as I press this, as you can see, the app appears right here, and I can double click it and launch it normally without it being removed from my folder. Now you can do this with any app. Let's say I want to do CapCut, right click, Open File Location, right click, send to Desktop. Now I have my CapCut here as well. So that's basically how you can add the apps to a desktop, guys. It's super simple and it's super easy. If you want to put it to a taskbar, you can simply take it and drag it down here and let go. Now it's pinned to a taskbar. Right click on it, unpin. So that's how you can do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.